Alright guys, let's look at solving these equations. It says find the quadratic equation whose roots are -1 and half, and second we should simplify log 3 minus 2 log 9 minus 4. Now looking at our first one, it says our roots are -1 and half, so we can say x equals -1. Alright, so therefore x equals x plus 1 equals 0, and the second one is x equals half, so if you cross multiply it, 2x equals 1, so therefore 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now bringing these two terms together, we have it as x plus 1, 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now expanding this, x times 2x will give us 2x squared, x times -1 minus x, 1 times 2x plus 2x, 1 times -1 minus 1 equals 0. Collecting our like terms, we have it as 2x squared plus x, 2 minus 1 will give us 1, minus 1 equals 0. So this forms the quadratic equation that gives rise to these roots. Now, to the second part that says simplify log 3 minus log 2 all over log 9 minus log 4. Okay, now we know that in log if we have log m minus log n, it will give us log m over n. Okay, now applying this law here, this becomes log 3 over 2 all over log 9 over 4. Now we can see that these two are perfect squares, so breaking them down, we'll have it as log 3 over 2 all over log 3 over 2 squared, because 3 squared will give us 9 and 2 squared will give us 4. Okay, so this becomes log 3 over 2 all over 2 log 3 over 2. So we can now cancel out this, leaving us with 1 over 2. So the answer to our log will be 1 over 2. We've done a detailed explanations of questions like this and more in our channel. For the full video, check the description link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on your notification button for more updates.